Welcome to So Very Easy. My name is Laura, and today I just would like to do a quick video with an update for the block of the month called Checkmate, or the round of the month. Now, I have combined 2 months together, August and September. And combining those 2 months is going to save us, well, not only time, but real time, because I have taken this border and have combined it all to be one border. And instead of cutting pieces, I've done it strip piecing, which means we're going to be able to take our fabric, cut it the width of the fabric, sew those long widths together, and then subcut them and put them together. That saves a lot of time in cutting and a lot of time in sewing. So I do have a new pattern which has only August and then that strip piecing measurements. And I've also put July and June in the right order. So I'm going to put this in with the new handout, along with that border page, and the page where we see that quilt. It's all going to be a new link, so you're going to be able to do the strip piecing, and that is going to save us a month and a lot of time. I do hope you're following along, and as always, thank you for joining me today on So Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and I have a newsletter. It's all free under So Very Easy. And be sure to make every day a so-tacular day. Bye for now.